You're filming this green, Zach. Truck looks good with the light bar on it. So, as you're filming right to this point, I'm just looking at my truck. Instead of having to go outside, I just fire up the drone and take a look. See how these work. Watch the screen. The light bar works real nice that I installed. You can see. I'm just gonna take a look at the truck. Very nice. Just panoramic it.
You just see you go by. It's like,
Are you getting this, Zach? Oh shit, where's my tripod? Ah! 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 That was close!
where'd it go?
This is awesome. I want to watch that video now. End it.